Good evening, and it's great to have you with us on a very busy night of news. Tonight, the Supreme Court ruling on the Dreamers, blocking President Trump's plan to end the program that protects nearly 650,000 young immigrants who came to America as children, protecting them from being deported. Chief Justice John Roberts joining the court's more liberal justices in the 5-4 decision, saying the president has the right to dismantle the program, but that the administration failed to provide, quote, a reasoned explanation for its action. On the steps of the Supreme Court today, there were celebrations, banners saying America is home. It was a blow to the president. Ending DACA was a top campaign promise, and it was the second time this week the High Court has ruled against him after Tuesday's decision protecting LGBTQ workers from discrimination in the workplace. Tonight, the president responding, taking on the court, and making it clear this will be a key issue come November. But for now, a major victory for the Dreamers, and ABC's Terry Moran, who covers the court, leading us off tonight.
Across America, for hundreds of thousands of Dreamers, there was relief for now.
I'm surprised, to be honest. I was expecting the worst.
For many, the ruling keeps hope alive.
Still feels very surreal.
Crissia Rivera came to our country from El Salvador when she was 8 years old. She's a medical student in Rhode Island now.
This decision means that I will be able to apply to residency programs and hopefully achieve my dream of becoming a surgeon.
In the court's 5-4 ruling today, conservative Chief Justice John Roberts joined the 4 liberal justices rejecting the Trump administration's stated reasons for ending DACA in 2017 as merely arbitrary and capricious, violating federal law. At the same time, the court's ruling makes clear the president can end the program as long as he does it properly. We do not decide whether DACA or its rescission are sound policies. We address only whether the agency provided a reasoned explanation for its action, Roberts wrote. In a fierce dissent, Justice Clarence Thomas called DACA unlawful from its inception and accused his fellow justices of ducking their duty. Today's decision must be recognized for what it is, an effort to avoid a politically controversial but legally correct decision, Thomas wrote. Within hours of the ruling, President Trump fired off a few furious tweets. These horrible and politically charged decisions coming out of the Supreme Court are shotgun blasts into the face of people that are proud to call themselves Republicans or conservatives, he wrote, adding another, "Do you get the impression that the Supreme Court doesn't like me?" President Obama announced the DACA program, which protects law-abiding immigrants who came to America as children from being deported in 2012. Since then, more than 825,000 have utilized the program, including roughly 27,000 now working in the healthcare industry, fighting COVID-19. All told, the Dreamers paid nearly $4 billion in federal taxes in 2017, and their families include 256,000 U.S. children born here. Crissia Rivera spoke for so many of those Dreamers today.
The truth is, America is my home.
So let's get right to Terry Moran at the court for us tonight. And Terry, this ruling, while a victory for the Dreamers, we know it's not a permanent decision. So what's likely to come next? And this immediately puts this front and center come Election Day.
It sure does, David, and this is not a permanent decision, as you say. It puts it right back on the map. President Trump can go and try again, and he suggested on Twitter he will, and that will mean the Dreamers will be a big election issue. Joe Biden responding on Twitter today, saying, "Here's my promise to you. On day one, I'll send a bill to Congress that creates a clear roadmap to citizenship for Dreamers and for 11 million undocumented migrants into our country." So it is a major political issue now that it has left the courts. David?
Terry Moran leading us off tonight. Terry, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.